You hear something new at fountains today. People who think young say, Pepsi, please.
The lively crowd today agrees. Those who think young say, Pepsi, please.
Pepsi.
For those who think young, come alive, come alive. You're in the Pepsi generation.
You're in the Pepsi generation.
You're in the Pepsi generation.
Taste that beats the others cold. Pepsi pours it on. Pepsi's got that special taste created for the cold. You've got a lot to live, and Pepsi's got a lot to give.
Simply irresistible. Simply irresistible. Turn me up. Come feel the joy all around. Each generation has found they've got their own kind of sound. So shout it out. Live that joy of Pepsi.
Pepsi.
For those who think young.